get a good printing result by Focus Vega-Jet DTG printer. Then you need to do some daily maintenance for the machine. And first, after you finish the job, we need to power on the machine. And we just find out the switch at the bottom side of the machine. And we power off the power. And then we need to move out the carriage at the home position. And we find out the clean tissue that you get from Focus. And we need to use the tissue, go with some clean solution. And we need to clean the wiper and the damper. Use the clean solution and the fabric to clean the wiper as brand new. And also we need to clean the cap station, especially for the top rubber ring. If the top rubber get dirty, so when you do the keep weight function, will be not working and will leaking air to cause the print head clog. And even also for the color damper, color cap station, we also need to clean as brand new. As this. So right now you can see it's new and it's without any waste at the surface of the wiper and wet cap station and color cap station. This job you need to do every day after you finish the job. After that, it's not enough. We still need to do another process that we find out the clean solution. Please do not use the wrong liquid. Can only use the clean solution that match with the ink, and use the injection. Use the injection to connect with one short ink tube, and then we pour about a little bit clean solution, and we fill to each ink damper. We fill about not too much, but full of the cap station. Then fill to the color cap station. And then we need to pour the carriage back to home position for keep weight. And be sure it's locked, not shaking, it's locked. And every day you need to, every day after the printing job, you need to do this process. Clean the wiper, clean the cap station for both wet and color print head. And also pour the carriage to home position for keep weight. And the next day, when you back to work, you need to clean the printing head to make the clean solution to flush to the wet ink tank. And also every day you need to check if the carriage is locked. Do not make any person to touch the machine without using the machine and without learn the online tutorial video. And also every day after you do the maintenance job, you need to also power on the machine and open the circulation, white ink circulation switch to make the white ink circulation without settling. Also do a small test print to protect print head without the clog. So this job I need to do every day. In one word, just clean the wiper, clean the cap station, and keep with print head and do nozzle check print and do small size check print every day. So this is all the procedure to do the maintenance job for this DTG printer. And also every day after you finish the job, we need to release the waste ink of the waste ink tank. There's a short ink tube that at the right side of the machine, we take it out and we open the value. We open the value and open the block and release the waste ink on the bottle. And please take care of the waste ink. Do not flush to any safety place. Just release the waste ink. So this is all the procedure. After you release the waste ink, and then you close by this way and block the tuber, and then put it back to the machine. So this is all the procedure for maintain the machine. So if you have any questions, please ask the focus support team to get the solution. Please do not do any wrong operation without learn the machine and fully understand the machine, or without any guidance from focus support team. Thank you.